Welcome to Sharvana Knowledge Hub. Today's topic is General Anesthetics in Simplified Way. Learn theories, stages, benefits and classification of general anesthesia in minutes. General anesthesia is state-produced when patient receives medication for amnesia, analgesia, muscle relaxation and sedation. An anesthetized patient can be thought of as being in a controlled, reversible state of unconsciousness. They depress the central nervous system to sufficient degree to permit performance of surgery and other noxious or unpleasant procedures. General anesthetics uses intravenous and inhaled agents to allow adequate surgical access to the operative site. Patients undergoing surgical or medical procedures, anesthesia provide 5 important benefits like sedation and reduced anxiety, lack of awareness and amnesia, skeletal muscle relaxation, suppression of undesirable reflexes. Analgesia. There are two main theories explaining the mechanism of anesthesia. Lipid theory, where anesthetic potency is linked to lipid solubility. It causes volume expansion and increased membrane fluidity. Lower MAC, minimum alveolar concentration, is equal to higher lipid solubility is equal to greater potency. Ion channel theory is in which anesthesia affects receptors linked to ion channels, enhances inhibitory receptors like GABA, inhibits excitatory receptors like glutamate and nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. There are 4 stages of anesthesia. Stage 1, sedation, reduced motion and breathing. Stage 2, anesthesia, partial loss of equilibrium, still reacts to touch. Stage 3, surgical anesthesia, total loss of equilibrium, no touch response. Stage 4, death, breathing and heart stop due to overdose. General anesthetics are classified into 2 types based on route of administration. Inhalational, given as gas form, and volatile liquids. For gas, nitrous oxide is example. For volatile liquids, ether, halothane, isoflurane, desflurane, sevoflurane are examples. Next category is intravenous, in that fast-acting, thiopentone sodium, propofol, etomidate are examples. For slower-acting benzodiazepines and opioid analgesics, dissociative are examples. Benzodiazepines, diazepam, lorgepam, midazolam. Opioid analgesic, fentanyl. Dissociative anesthetic, ketamine, are examples. To summarize, general anesthesia is a critical tool in modern medicine, ensuring pain-free, safe surgical procedures. Understanding its mechanisms and classifications helps improve its safe application. Please like, subscribe, share,